We're going to run a quick highlight on one of our great customers out in Southern California. This is a Willis SK2680 lathe, which we installed here about 25 years ago. It's obviously had a little bit of use over those 25 years, but it's still rock and rolling and still used quite often. Having had great success with the Willis CNC Lathes, this customer decided to get another one a few years ago. This is the Willis 2060 CNC. You can see this machine has the auto spindle speed gear changing, and this size machine you can get 3-inch spindle up to 2400 RPMs. We love the Fanuc 0i TF controller, and this machine also, the current ones have full enclosures. And continuing around the corner, we come upon another Willis CNC lathe. This is a Willis 32 by 80 with 10-inch spindle option. And this is just recently installed, and they're just getting used to all the new features and operations of this machine. That's the latest and greatest Fanuc control, the 0i TF Plus, with an extra large optional 15-inch wide touchscreen control. And this machine is fitted with the standard full-length rear chip conveyor, and you can see the automatic lubrication system over there also. And since the first three machines they have weren't quite enough, they decided to get an even larger one. This is our LD 45 by 80. That's a 32-inch truck. This one they have fitted with the optional 14-inch spindle bore. That 12-station vertical turret is a standard part of this machine. Also has the fantastic Fanuc control. Stepping down here, and you can see this machine, they got fitted with front and rear full-length chip conveyors. That's the hydraulic system for the turret. And you can see all the coolant and connections back there. Great customer. We wish we had lots more customers like this, and they're very happy with their Willis products.